Where there is smoke, there is fire. Now, allegedly, Julius Malema had a relationship with a taxi boss by the name of Jonathan Mswazi Msibi, who is also linked to the Big Five cartel. My name is Alokwan, and this is the news that matter the most. Now, this started when Kenny Kunene went on Podcast and Chill with MacG and said that the EFF leader, Julius Malema, was essentially beholden to the late taxi figure, Jonathan Mswazi Msibi. The Malema went to the High Court seeking a public apology, saying that the remarks were false and defamatory. The controversy deepened when Kunene filed answering papers and did not retract the allegations. Now, instead, the papers said that Malema allegedly delivered about 80,000 rand in cash to Msibi, and they relied on sworn statements that described repeated late-night visits to Msibi's property, and that is what people are now calling the midnight visits. And one of the key sworn statements come from Tshepo Molekowa, who says that he worked for Msibi and lived at Uviwi Lodge, described in the papers as a highly secured compound with control access and armed guards. He alleges he personally saw Malema arrive there on multiple occasions and says that sometimes he would arrive around 2 a.m. Molekowa further alleges that on at least one visit, Malema arrived carrying a black Louis Vuitton bag, which he was instructed to open and count. He says that the money inside was about 80,000 rand. He also says this was not a one-off incident, but part of a pattern of repeated visits. And also News 24 reported that another affidavit claims that Malema delivered a black Louis Vuitton bag containing cash and an expensive whiskey to Msibi at his compound in Dinokeng Game Reserve. This is why this story has exploded. It is not just about a political insult, but about sworn evidence that alleges a relationship between a national political leader and a figure linked to serious criminal network allegations. Hence, the evidence of Molekowa matters because it could help the commission or the court test whether these allegations are true, partly true, or false. Now, if the testimony is accepted, it could support the broader picture being painted around the alleged Big Five network and possible links between powerful political figures and organized crime structures. And the bigger issue is reputational and political. For Julius Malema, these allegations suggest secret dealings with a taxi boss tied to alleged cartel activity. For Kenny Kunene, the affidavits are being used to argue that his comments were not random insults, but statements backed by witnesses and therefore should be tested in evidence, not dismissed on paper. So in simple terms, this started as a podcast allegation, moved into a defamation case, and it is now being tied into the Matlanga Commission because of the claimed visits, cash handover, and witness affidavits could all feed into a much larger story about politics, taxi money, and alleged criminal influence. Will Molekowa, who was a chef to Msibi, take the stand? Will the evidence hold, or will this entire story fall apart under pressure? What are your thoughts?